You won't believe the features Total Wealth app offers in 2026. Most people think finance apps just track spending, but Total Wealth takes it further with goal-based saving, automated transfers, and smart spending alerts. The app allows you to create multiple financial goals, emergency funds, debt repayment, vacation savings, and automatically calculates contributions based on your income and spending. This automation ensures steady progress, and over time, these small transfers can add up significantly. Most people underestimate the power of consistency when saving. Total Wealth also offers predictive alerts. It monitors your transactions, upcoming bills, and subscriptions, notifying you if adjustments are needed to avoid overdrafts or unnecessary fees. The dashboard provides a clear visual of your money, showing exactly how close you are to each goal and where you could optimize spending. Security is strong, with multi-factor authentication, bank-level encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. Your funds remain in insured accounts, and support is available via chat or email. Limitations: Total Wealth focuses on automated savings and financial management, so it does not provide investment or full banking services. But for anyone looking to improve financial habits, save efficiently, and get actionable insights, it's a solid choice. So, is Total Wealth app worth it in 2026? Definitely, especially if you want a smart, automated, and user-friendly way to manage and grow your money. Subscribe to stay updated on the best apps and tools to optimize your finances.